So today in this short video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from RedNote Social in your computer. So if you don't know how to use RedNote from your computer, you can watch this video from my YouTube channel. Okay, once you successfully open the RedNote website from your computer and you have signed into your account, now just open that video you want to download. So here's opening this video, for example, and it may ask you to verify a puzzle. Just go ahead and verify, and once you successfully opened the video that you want to download, just click on this copy link icon and your video link will be copied. Now open a new tab and type here rednote-downloader.com. Open this website. In this field, paste here your RedNote video that you want to download and just click on download media. And here we can see the video is ready to download. Now I'm clicking on download media, clicking on download, and the video is downloading. Once the video downloaded, I'm going to opening my file explorer, going to downloads folder, and here we can see the video I just downloaded from RedNote. So here we can see the video without watermark. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.